now we can make our own squishies. Oh, so sparkly. That looks even better than I imagined. Ooh, how strange.
You're watching Carrie Hands.
Well, this has been so much fun, but I think I best go home. Oh, wait, it's Halloween. I know, but we're not doing much. Yeah, and we don't really do Halloween underwater. Well, we could always think of something to do. Come on, it'll be fun, guys. Okay, I've got an idea, but we haven't used it for a while. What is it? Wait there, I'll go get it. I wonder what it could be. Ah, we can use that. Well, we can if we wash it. Exactly. Look, me and Elsa can make a wave. Ready, Elsa? Ready. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh, that looks better. See? I told you it would work. See? Now we can make our own squishies. Oh, that sounds fun. But only if we all stay over. Oh, yes, 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 yes! All right, I'm in. Perfect, so I thought we could do one each. What are you gonna put in yours? Well, since it's Halloween, I want to make a pumpkin-themed squishy. Oh, I want to make a cute ghost one. What about you, Ariel? I want to make, a night-themed squishy. Night? Yeah, because Halloween happens in the fall, when the nights get darker and the stars peek out in the beautiful night sky. Wow, that's so poetic! Oh, can I go first? Oh, please, 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 please! Of course you can, Elsa. All right. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put 1 scoop of magical squishy powder into my squishy. Now pumpkins are orange, so let's put some orange food coloring in. Elsa, you can't forget the glitter. Of course not, Belle. Oh, how about this super cute orange glitter? Oh, that's gonna look perfect. Quick, put it in. All right, in it goes. Oh, so sparkly. Perfect. Now it's time to fill it up, tie it up, and see what it looks like. Whoa! That looks awesome, Elsa! It looks just like a sparkly orange pumpkin! Yeah, I love the way it sparkles! Thanks, guys! Hey, Belle, why don't you go next? Yay! Oh, can I please borrow your orange food coloring? Of course you can! Oh no! Wait, where's it gone? Maybe a cheeky ghost took it! Maybe. But don't worry, Belle. Ghosts are usually white anyway. Oh yeah! Hey! I could use the white magical squishy powder for the color! Exactly! Alright, 1 scoop of white magical squishy powder in my squishy. Now you gotta add the sparkly glitter! Oh yeah! I'm gonna use this super cute silver glitter. Oh, this is gonna be so sparkly! I can't wait! Now to finish off my ghost, I'm gonna add this super cute white confetti. Ta-da! Alright, I think I'm ready to fill it up, tie it off, and see what it looks like. Whoa, I love it, Belle. It's so spooky. That's even more sparkly than mine. I love my sparkly ghost squishy. All right, Ariel, it's your turn. Perfect. All right, so to make my Starry Night squishy, I'm gonna need some sparkly glitter, to represent the sparkly stars. Oh, absolutely, but don't forget the magical squishy powder, Ariel. Oops. Oh yeah, thanks, Elsa. What would I do without you? Have a non-squishy squishy? True. All right. Time to put the magical squishy powder in. Now for that sparkly glitter. Now I think it needs something else. Oh, confetti! Of course! Great idea, Belle. Whoa, this is gonna look amazing! Alright, now to finish it off, it wouldn't be a dark starry night without some dark blue food coloring. So in it goes. Perfect! Now I'm ready to fill it up, tie it up, and reveal it! I can't wait! Whoa! That looks even better than I imagined! Oh my goodness! I just love it! It's so pretty! It's gonna look perfect next to ours! Yeah! I love our squishies! They're so unique! Wait! Where did they go? I don't know. They were just here. Ooh! How strange! Well, I suppose it is Halloween. Can we go to bed now? Sure! Surprise! Oh, you made us jump! Oh, Belle, you're so funny! You know what? This Halloween slumber party has been so much fun! Oh, I don't want it to end. Well, it doesn't have to. What do you mean? We could watch a scary movie together. Yay! Great idea, Belle. Just no more spookiness, okay, Belle? Okay, I promise. Come on, let's go pick a movie. All right.